I'm using Canva to design this custom composition notebook cover. The dimensions are 7 by 10. You can use whichever image you would like. We're going to go to elements and pick out some elements to use for our cover. I got the composition notebook element, and I'm used the backpack and some blocks. And right now I'm doing some stars just to kind of make the design pop. Here I'm going to add some text and use the child's name, which is Nova. After we complete our design, we're going to save it. Now we're ready to print. I use my iPad, so I'm using Pages. I put in the dimensions of the design on the 8 by 10 layout. I'm setting up my printer settings. I'm sending to my printer using glossy paper. All of the supplies used will be linked in the description below. From here, I'm using a holographic clear sticker paper that we're going to put on top of our design to make it a little bit more unique. We're using the squeegee to make sure there are no bubbles and no creases. So from here, we're just going to cut out our design, remove the excess paper that we're not going to use, and we're ready to place it on our composition notebook. We're going to line it up as close as possible as we can, using this squeegee again to make sure we have no bubbles. And now we're going to go around it with our X-Acto knife to make sure that we remove all of the excess sticker paper. If you would like to see more videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. And there you have it.